In this video, I'm going to give you a new strategy to turn that PLR that you most likely have sitting on your hard drive into cash. If you don't have any PLR, you could always go over to Content Sparks, pick up some tremendous PLR like this brilliant brainstorming methods, which gives you everything in a zip file. And when you unzip it, it gives you a course book, an action guide, cheat sheets, graphics, and other tools that you need to transform your PLR. But I want to show you an additional strategy is the quick course cash flow. Now, the quick course cash flow, what this is this is going to give you the ability, or it's going to lay out a plan for you to turn your PLR into an email course. Now, why email courses? Because as it says here in this PDF, in today's fast-paced world, traditional course creation methods can be time-consuming and overwhelming. And most people are never going to take the time, or they lack the focus to put all this together. That is the reason, if you have PLR, that's the reason you have it sitting on your hard drive. Or if you've heard about PLR and you've never actually used PLR, it's because you're lacking a solid strategy that gives you the ability to focus on creating something that people are going to want and you can deliver easily utilizing this email course. Quick Course Cash Flow also comes with a PDF, and I'm going to show you this PDF in action. This is a template. These templates should provide you with a structured approach to planning, creating, and marketing your email course. Each template is designed to be flexible so you can tailor them to fit your specific needs and goals. Now, what am I going to do with these templates? Just like that brainstorming PLR, if you back up and you get Quick Course Cash Flow, you'll have all these PDFs. What can you do with this strategy that I am showing you in this video? You can simply go to ChatGPT and utilize AI to create the course for you. It is just as simple as using this prompt. Simply pause and use this prompt with the two PDFs, the main PDF and the templates. Again, the main PDF is right here, and the templates PDF comes with the Quick Course Cash Flow product. There's a link in the description. It'll take you over to my bonus page. Also on my bonus page, I'm going to show you how you can deliver this email course, set it up, sell it, and deliver it for free on a very specific marketplace. Link in the description. Let's go back to this concept of creating the course with this strategy of using AI and the Quick Course Cash Flow main method, as well as the templates. You simply just feed it this prompt, and then it comes back and it gives you everything that you need based on the information from the documents, Quick Course Cash Flow main and Quick Course Cash Flow templates. Here's a summary of what is needed to create an email course. It's going to lay out all of the steps right here in front of you, but it gets even better. Or wait, there's more, right? The idea and the concept here, it's so super simple. And if you focus on what it is you're trying to deliver, you're trying to utilize the frameworks of PLR. And that's what I'm saying here with this prompt. Perfect. Now, using that summary as the framework, create a 30-day email course using the attached docx files on brainstorming. Of course, that's the brainstorming information here that, just like over Content Sparks, they say a great way to use this PLR is to create an email course. So utilize an email course using this PLR, the docx's that you have. All you have to do is give it this prompt, and it's going to come back and say, based on the documents you provided on brainstorming, that PLR that you already have or that you can pick up very easily from Content Sparks, here's a 30-day email course designed to help users master brainstorming techniques and apply them effectively in their personal and business endeavors. This course will guide students through various brainstorming methods, tips, and action steps to enhance their creative thinking skills. And then here is the 30-day brainstorming email course. And again, it all came from this document, or utilizing this document, this PLR, and any other PLR that you have. You can utilize this to break it down into an email course, because there is a lot of information here. Like, there are 7 different methods, and it's broken down in all of this PLR, which is high quality, but you want to be able to just take this and extract the parts and pieces that you need and have ChatGPT or any AI lay out week by week, day by day, exactly what you're going to deliver. And then you can move through this and you can see all 30 days is just simply laid out for you to create the course, but you can take it a step further with AI, with this strategy, and you just simply feed it another prompt and continue the conversation. Now write the week 1 emails and be sure to remind the reader to take action and be ready for tomorrow's email and check their inbox. Here you go, week one emails, Mastering Brainstorming Course. Mastering Brainstorming Course, welcome and course overview. It's going to give you the information that you need here to create the email. Of course, you can and you should add a little more depth to this, add a little more nuance, very focused on exactly what it is that you and your brand stand for. But understand that the framework is all laid out, and the PLR that you have either sitting on your hard drive or you just purchased or checking out that Content Sparks brainstorming is a great place to start with PLR and use this new strategy of setting up an email course, coming back to AI and letting AI write these emails. And then all you need to do at that point is have a delivery method or a way to set up and sell this course. And that's what my bonus is going to do. My bonus for Quick Course Cash Flow is going to show you exactly how to utilize a marketplace where you can set this up and sell it for free and also deliver your new email course utilizing that PLR that you already have or that great PLR that you can get over at Content Sparks to set up this course. All you need to do is take what we've done in this video, just rewind this, watch it again, pause, go through it step by step, understand that once you have this strategy in place, all you need to do then is focus and deliver your course. And like I said, my bonus link in the description will show you a marketplace where you can set this up, sell it for free, and deliver the email course all for free. Thanks for watching this one. See you in the next one. Bye.